Hello, how do you solve this exponential problem? This is 2 power x plus 1 equals 60. Solving for the value of x that satisfies this equation. Now, let's start. If you have a to the power of x plus y, this equals a power x times a power y. Applying that here, we simply have 2 power x times 2 power 1 equals 60. Now, we can decide to isolate 2 power x by dividing this by 2 and dividing this by 2. So right now, 2 power 1 eliminates 2. And what we have left is simply 2 power x equals 60 divided by 2, that is 30. Right now, how do we solve for x? We apply log of 2 power x equals log of 30. Now, remember also, if you have log a power b equals b times log a. So, the x comes behind these two, or behind the log. We simply have x times log 2 equals log 30. So from here, I can express 30 as product of 15 times 2. So we have x times log 2 equals log 15 times 2. Now, consider this as well. If you have log a times b, this equals log a plus log b. Applying this right here, we have x times log 2 equals log 15 plus log 2. So from here, I can also express 15 as product of 5 times 3. I have x times log 2 equals log 5 times 3, which is 15, plus log 2. And we go back to this, log a times b equals log a plus log b. So I will have x times log 2 equals log 5 plus log 3 plus log 2. So from here, I can isolate x by dividing this by log 2 and dividing this by log 2. So from here, this cancels this. I have x equals log 5 plus log 3 plus log 2 divided by log 2. So from here, I have x equals log 5 divided by log 2 plus log 3 divided by log 2 plus log 2 divided by log 2. This eliminates this. So from here, I have x equals log 5 divided by log 2 plus log 3 divided by log 2 plus 1. Remember, log a divided by log b equals log a to the base of b. multiplying that here and here. I'll simply have x equals log 5 to the base of 2 plus log 3 to the base of 2 plus 1. This becomes our solution. Now, let's go ahead and verify if that solution will satisfy this equation. We have x equals log 5 to the base of 2 plus log 3 to the base of 2 plus 1. We substitute this for x here. This is 2 power x plus 1 equals 60. We have 2 power our x is that log 5 to the base of 2 plus log 3 to the base of 2 plus 1 equals 60. Now, if you have a power n plus n equals a power n times a power n. Apply this right here. We have 2 power log of 5 to the base of 2 times 2 power log of 3 to the base of 2 times 2 power 1 equals 60. Now, if you have a to the power of log of b to the base of a, this equals b. So, using that means we have 5 here, we have 3 here because this, and this are the same. That means we simply have this is 5 times this is 3 times this is 2 power 1 is 2 equals 60. And from here, 5 times 3 is 15, 15 times 3. And this is 15, but 15 is not 60. This is 30. But 30 is not 60. This is simply because we have cancelled out. Take it from here. It's at this point that we are having 30. But if you know the problem, can you leave it on the comment box? Thank you. Drop the correct solution on the comment box if you know what the problem is.